Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing, reviewing, and demonstrating a mini, cordless, rechargeable vacuum cleaner. Let's open it and have a look at it before we put it to use cleaning our car and other places around the house. We have a manual, 2 cleaning accessories, a brush and a charging adapter with USB-C cable. We've had it for about a month now, and let me tell you, whenever I need to clean my cars, this is the vacuum I take every single time. It's so small and portable, yet powerful enough to pick up all the mess in the car without any issues. My concern was its battery run time, but to my big surprise, it cleaned 2 of our cars, and trim work around the house and still had a lot of charge left. Here is a demonstration of this little thing doing the heavy lifting, vacuuming our cars and house. Cleaning with this vacuum is simple and effective, as you can see here. That battery runtime is really amazing for such a portable little vacuum. Overall, I am more than pleased with my purchase. Knowing this little vacuum's capabilities, I'd gladly pay twice the retail price. It's that good. Now, let's have a closer look. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Thank you for watching this quick review.